prestigious jury members, and all the participants. Good morning to all of you. I, Shilpa Bansal from Government High School, Guru Nanakpura, Bathinda, with Acme Mittal of Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Goniana Mandi, welcomes you all in the game called Fastest Finger First. Students and all the participants here, it is very interesting and easy game. As we say that learning is easy when it is going to be fun. So here we are going to learn having fun. This activity will help you to enrich vocabulary and generates interest in English. It will boost your confidence and it will imbibe competition spirit in you all and increase your concentration power too. So let's start the game with Acme Mittal ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shilpa ma'am. Well, my dear students, today we are going to play a game fastest finger first. I will speak 10 silent words and you have to write all the 10 words accurately. The child who writes first will be announced as the winner of the day. But a certificate of participation will be awarded to each and every participant. I will speak each word 2 times, so listen to me carefully. First, talk, talk. Second, honest, honest. Third, climb, climb. Fourth, knife, knife. Fifth, who, who. Sixth, listen, listen. Seventh, Wednesday, Wednesday. Eighth, thought, thought. Ninth, sandwich, sandwich. 10th, night, night. Well done, dear students. Now I request Shilpa ma'am to announce the winner of the day. Over to Shilpa ma'am.
Yes, I am waiting for the entries. A student named Rohit has sent one word, but one word is not allowed. You have to send all the words collectively. Come on, students. Very good. Yes, now let me check all the 10 words if these are correct or not, and then we will have the winner with us. Wow. So the fastest finger first winner is Rohit Singh with all the 10 words correct. Applause to him. Thank you, jury members and all the participants present here. Today's winner of this activity is Rohit Singh.